Hello guys, are you looking to study in Edmonton with no IELTS specifically for Filipinos but may also be qualified for some other citizenship? Then I'll be showing with you the Norquest College in which we're going to check in right now. We are here, Norquest. Are you looking to study in Alberta, specifically in Edmonton? Because today I'm going to be showing you the Norquest College in which you can consider if you wanted to study here in Canada. Let's go! So they have different buildings. These are for the student, these are for the employees, and there is a career development on this side, and there is one more in there, that orange one, which I don't know what it is. So this is the campus. There's a lot of pedestrians in there. There's one there and in there. I think it's gonna be safe for all the students because they have their own path. But yeah, I mean, everything is near. There's a lot of buildings, there's a lot of places to go. It's really a good option for international students. If you'll be coming here with a car, there will be a good chance for you to park on their own parking. It looks like this. This is for employees. Maybe this is the campus. Now we are inside the Norquest College. You could say that this is a much bigger campus and more facilities. And now I will walk you around the campus for you to see what's inside. Let's go! Now I'm on the top floor. In this building, there are like 4 floors in which you could go. And on this side are the classrooms, and on the other side, what I've noticed is usually the facilities like libraries and labs. Now I'm just going on this side still, but I haven't been on that side in which we will be about to go, and I'll see what's in there. Alright, I couldn't go much into each places because some have their own classes, but I'm gonna be showing you some small things which may be useful for your future reference. One example is the locker at my back. So every floor has their own lockers. There's also a vending machine and for props and for your snacks, and this is like a student locker. So for the nursing students, you're on the 4th floor. Another student lounge on the other side. It's kind of like a square area wherein you'll just walk around with a big hallway full of lockers. That's a good spot. It's so quiet, especially here on the 4th floor. Found my favorite spot in this college. It's at the 4th floor. If you'll go here, let me know. If you've been here, take a picture and show it to me. So this is my favorite spot now because it's just dark and quiet and it looks so fancy. At Norquest College, there are like 45 programs to choose from, in which you can see in the description box below. They are also known for their award-winning program, specifically the ESL, or English as Second Language. So if you know to yourself that you wanted to take this program, probably this is gonna be your best bet. could say that this place is really great for international students because the diversity is so large. There are like 108 countries with 73 languages spoken. Earlier I was on the other side in which I'm telling you about the 4th floors, and now I'm on the other side in which basically just the same, just a student lounge area, and again on the sides are either classroom or their facilities. So this is basically it. This is basically the Norquest College, which has 4 sides, 4 floors. But yeah, if you're curious how you could go to the 4th floor. So there are 2 ways. Either you have the elevator, and you also have the stairs in which I was earlier. But yeah, whichever you prefer. Maybe there are days that you just feel gloomy, maybe just go with the elevators, and when you feel like you're athletic, then go with the stairs. This is how big the cafeteria is. To sum up, I really like the place of the Norquest College because it's really at the center of the Edmonton. And if you were to ask me, I really wanted to live as well in Edmonton because it's really one of the best growing city here in Canada. And really, I'm always here every month. That's how I love Edmonton. But yeah, I mean, it's a good place to start as well if you have a bit of a budget, and you'll get basically everything and you'll enjoy life. And that's basically it for the Norquest College. If you have any question or if you wanted to study here at the Norquest, check out the description box below and I'll give you an update or details on how you can be one of their international students. I'll see you soon.